high score na sa medyas. So hi guys, moving up ngayon ni Maurice. Ayan, si Shining Star. Ito yung araw na hinihintay niya. Hi guys, samahan niyo kami sa aming moving up ngayon. Yan, papunta na kami ngayon.
Wearing the schoolmates is Mr. Mark Anthony C. Bagadas, Master Teacher 2. Ladies and gentlemen, the class advisors, Science, Technology, and Engineering, SDE10 Ballerina, Advisor, Miss Mildred.
Year 2024-2025.
By virtue of the powers vested in me with the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, the rules of the Department of Education, and the Division of Kabayan City, I now declare the 20th commencement exercises, 10th moving up ceremony of Kabayan City National High School, school year 2024-2025 officially open. And 66 females for a total of 102. For the special program in the arts, 17 males and 21 females for a total of 38. For the open high school program, 7 males and 7 females for a total of 14. For the basic education program, 331 males and 383 females for a total of 714.
Both in my career and personal life, I just didn't know how. Back then,
akin, I believe I was a model student. I managed to balance academics and extracurricular activities. Ako ang tipo maternity staying grounded and becoming a better person. Someone you yourself can be proud of. Masiripangan and kahit na sa nilibig. Huwag mag-alala, buhay ay di karera. Yes. To my former high school teachers who are still here, I want to take this opportunity to say thank you, especially Sir Joy, who was our advisor in fourth year, and I consider as a very good friend. Thank you to all my high school teachers for teaching me, for believing in me, and for helping shape the person I am today. To the parents and guardians, thank you for your sacrifices and unwavering support. I congratulate you because your child, godchild, sibling, or loved one success is your success. And to the junior high school students, always remember you are capable, you are worthy, you have the power to shape your own success. Congratulations. Welcome to a new chapter of your life. May this be a beginning of something truly amazing for each and every one of you. Thank you, and may God bless you all.
With high honors, Tangaran Stella Maris M. Other awards is the Civic Discipline Award in Music, Performing Arts, Performing Arts.
Visitasyon Diana Zenea B. Sir Oscar Kenneth Y. A. Abanya Zanel M. Kapulot Charis B. Alison Marie T. Velasquez Christine Y. Calderon Mariel A.
Yamado Vince Joseph B. Leander Twain Darrell. Macarago Dandy S. Nobles Sam Shirley P. Tacoma John Armstrong. Parani Jose Junior T. Rondina Sheldrick N. Suarez Noli Jr. Susminia Raymond B.
Beth Anderson, Advisor to Miss Donna C. Dibuton. Alba Fred Notch B.
Tarayo Josh Vincent D.
Bernales Clement C.
The names that I will be calling here on stage are our champions in the different categories and of course in the different prominence level from international, national, and regional competitions. We also have Cyril A. Amparado, Sian Doroa, Hanis Leslie Tumandao, we also have Hiro C. Akbar, Venus Pukol, Sheila May Tapugilan, Denise Marie, Antonor Cruz, Akishan Bon Ricaport, Stella Marie M. Tangaran, Sinead Ryan Dino, Anthony Paul, Silvio Keiko Yabao III. National, and regional levels of competition. Empowering, inspiring, giving, and nurturing the city hires. And this is our State of the School Address. The rules of the Department of Education and the mission of the Bible State, I now declare the 20th commencement exercises 10th moving out ceremony of the Live City National High School school year 2024-2025 officially